Totally Saturday. I got a bunch of stuff sitting right here that we have to do basically some maintenance on the old girl out there because yeah, because she needs it. The deal is that emissions is open today to have the emissions test done, but they're only open till 5 o'clock. Currently it's like 1:30. So what I want to do is try to get all of this done and then take the car for a good trip on the freeway, get the catalytic converter nice and hot so it filters as much of the carbon monoxide or whatever out as possible, and then hopefully take it through, test it again, and I want to pass, bro. I'm not letting this car kick my ass. Yeah, that's right. I'm talking about your ass. You're going down, bro. First thing I'm doing here is I'm gonna grab this thermostat out of here. Jesus. Come on, fucker, what the hell? Let it go. Oh, that's bad. That's really bad. Oh, wow, bro. What is wrong with that? That just don't look right. And it is not what you think. I'm putting a thermostat. We did get a new thermostat to replace it with, but I'm gonna flush the cooling system right now. So I wanna take the thermostat out and I'm gonna rebolt the housing up. And then I got some of this flush stuff. I know you're supposed to run this for a day or something, but I'm just gonna dump this shit in there with water and then just kind of put it through a heat cycle. Drain it, blast the system through with a hose to get, you know, as much crap out as I possibly can, and then we'll go ahead and throw the new thermostat on. And I grabbed some cheap antifreeze from Walmart. Would you look at that, bro? Oh my God. Is that mud or dog shit? I don't know. Ugh, poor car. And also, while we're letting this thing warm up, I got a can of Seafoam as well. I love doing this, bro. I did it to Max as well. I know it's debated about as to whether it's good for the engine or not, but I mean, honestly, it is what it is, bro. It's a freaking dual point, so smoke the whole freaking neighborhood out. Fuck my neighbors, you know what I'm saying? So I just stole a vacuum line off right here and just basically dipping this straight into the can of Seafoam. I think it worked a little bit. Oh my God, I did say f my neighbors, right? Shit, that's hilarious. Caution, extremely hot oil. Crap. Come on, fucker. Oh, this is gonna be bad, bro. Just keep pressure. Oh yeah, I can feel it. Oh, that was so fucking hot, dude. Holy shit. Damn, when the oil is as black as the oil pan. Damn, that's so bad. Look how thin it is too. Well, that's probably because how hot it is. I don't know, but Jesus, definitely time for an oil change. Way past time for an oil change. Now we're just gonna drain this transmission fluid really quick, and then we can set the car back on the ground. I also got transmission fluid, so I'm gonna fill this thing up with some clean, fresh, automatic transmission fluid. Hopefully it solves the damn shifting problem. Alright, we're running dangerously out of time, dude. The place closes at 5 o'clock, and I honestly, I don't think I'm gonna make it, bro. But I'm still gonna try. But while we're waiting for the cooling system to bleed, I wanted to give a huge shout out to Skylar Crane. He's definitely OG DBFam, you know what I'm saying? He sent me this stuff out quite some time ago whenever we had first gotten a sedan, and I hadn't gotten around to using it. So most certainly a big shout out to you, brother. I appreciate it. He sent me an entire distributor, in which this is the one that was on the car. The one he sent me, I've already put on, I already put it on the sedan, and I honestly think that is what fixed the problem that I was having, where when it got warm, it wouldn't want to start. But he also sent a freaking intake too, man, which I'm stoked about this, because if you guys didn't notice earlier, the one that's actually on the car has some duct tape going around it. It's a little ghetto. Yeah, I'm not gonna record much else here in the garage. I'm just gonna button this all up and then zoom down to the emission testing place. Hopefully we make it in time, but I am gonna put this holeless intake tube on. So once again, thank you to Skylar, brother. I appreciate it. He also sent a bunch of EF hatches and shit, dude. A bunch of little Hot Wheels cars. So super stoked about that. The only reason why I've left them in the box all this time is because obviously I wanted to give you a shout out. And but yeah, now I can take these out and actually put them with the rest of my little Hot Wheels that I have inside the house. But hell yeah, brother, thank you once again. And when I pick the camera back up, hopefully we're getting emissions tested. With attitudes, you know? You don't like your job, find a new job. It's as simple as that. Hey, tell Scotty to talk to yourself. Tell Scotty. Well, I am currently bummed the fuck out right now. Well, for one, yeah, this thing is pegged, bro. Like, it was higher than that. And it was like that whenever the dude fucking stopped it. Like, it was overheating during the test. The fucker didn't even, like, look. Because if it's overheating whenever they're doing the emissions test, they're supposed to just cut it and stop, which that would have sucked also. But at least I wouldn't be worried about a fucking head gasket right now. But and then I pulled it out and I tried to, you know, drive, shut it off, let the water inside the radiator cool really good, and then turn it back on. And I tried to do all that to get it to cool off, and it was just getting worse. So I'd imagine it's probably the water pump, bro. That's the only thing it could be, because just flush it out, brand new thermostat. So I mean, it's gotta be the water pump, bro. But anyway, we freaking failed once again. As you can see right here, pass, fail, pass. The standard, as the same as the last sheet, is the one that we failed is a 12.00. If you guys remember, on the last sheet we had like a 13 something. I don't remember, I'd have to look back at the video. Look at this, bro. 12.01. that right there is a passing number. This right here is the number, the reason why I failed. Literally 0.01, dude. Like, are you fucking kidding me? Holy shit. And if I would have drove the car, like if I wasn't pressed for time, if I would have hopped on the freeway, drove the car for like 20-30 minutes just to get the exhaust good and hot, I guarantee you that it would probably been like a 11.5 or something even. You know what I mean? It's just I had to hurry up and get here. I revved the shit out of it while I was sitting in line just to get the exhaust as hot as I could. I don't know. Anyhow, I gotta sit here and wait for that to come way down, and then I'll drive my happy ass home. Well, what can I say, guys? We freaking tried. Worked on this damn car all day long, and I mean, it's not a complete failure. It didn't pass emissions. It failed by 0.01. Like, are you really freaking serious? But the sedan man won the battle, bro, but it hasn't won the war, because this most certainly means war. We're gonna get this damn car through emissions. I'm gonna get a damn license plate on this car, whether it's the last thing I do. I know, it's not that serious, but peace out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because there's definitely gonna be more like it to come, because I think we need to do a water pump and a damn timing belt on a dual point. Isn't that exciting? Forgot to say bye. Peace.